guys, we got a hold and spin on Dollar Boomer. 5-cent Denom, we're betting 12.50. So that's not the greatest balls. I've had bigger balls. Looking for some words that aren't a mini. Alright. 5 cents, that's 2.50. Just like a minor. Oh, another one. Nice. Come on, land something. One more time. Alright, I don't think that's bad. That's $600 or something. We're almost 700, guys. Not bad for a 12.50 bet. Buffalo. Guys, please help me out and subscribe. I'm getting really close to 1,000 subscribers. Really appreciate it. Until next time, have a good one. Alright guys, we got a bonus here on Dollar Storm, Dollar Boomer. So I know the Wild Expand on this. I've never played it myself. But you want to get a bunch of those right down the middle and it can be pretty good. A lot of times the bonuses are terrible. It's highly volatile. I'm betting $5. Oh, that could have been good. We missed it. Oh, shoot. Oh, there we go. That's going to be pretty good. I think $5. Nothing 5 across. $112. Not bad, guys. Please subscribe. Almost 1,000 subscribers. Really appreciate it. Guys, we got a Powerball bonus thing. No idea how it works. Spending $9. We'll see. Look up. I don't know if those are credits or what exactly is going on here. The machine's so huge, so hard to record this. Alright, times 5. Just not times 2. Alright, so did I get those credits or what? Oh, okay. And I'm betting dollars. So $97, I guess. That's it. Yep, that's it. Nothing that crazy. I'll take it. Please subscribe, guys. Alright, guys. We have a hold and spin on Phoenix Link. 5-cent or 10-cent Denom. Mini is $100. Alright, $25. I think that's it. Dang it. Oh well. At least I got in. It's hard to get in on this game. I think $200-ish. Please subscribe, guys. Alright guys, we got Luck is Right bonus. I think it's a bonus. We'll see. We're at least gonna get money. Yep, the whistle. Alright, it took us $159 to get there.
It's just totally random what you're
Yes, and we can get another train too.
Okay.
That'd be really cool if we did.
Nice, let's do it.
We didn't, but we'll take this.
I like purple.
Purple's a decent one. Alright, there we go. We want to see that. Those are nickels. We want to see the gong feature.
The what?
There's a gong feature. Oh, that's it. Oh, well.
So, how much is that?
That's like $70.
Okay.
$73, guys. Please subscribe.
All right, guys.
got the train bonus on Cash Express Luxury Line. Betting $8, 5-cent denom, so I'm not expecting a whole heck of a lot here. Yeah, pretty micro. Still fun though. Nothing came behind it. Alright. What do we got here? 82 bucks. 10x. Please subscribe. Luck has arrived, guys. $25 bet on Lucky Buddha. We'll see. I've never played this before, so I'm not really sure what exactly happens. I guess a wheel. Voting for free games. I think I wanted to remove stuff first. Oh well. 15 games. We'll see. Maybe you can re-trigger or something. Nothing. Oh, I need those lucky things to... Oh man, Buddha times 20. First 4 games have been nothing. First 5 games have been nothing. Yikes. Must be super volatile. Halfway through. Nothing. I can't line up anything. Wow, last game. Absolutely nothing. Yikes. Maybe better luck next time. Only won 62 bucks on a $25 bet. Alright guys, got right back in it. Not as big of balls, but it only took me a couple spins. 10-cent denom, so that's 10 bucks. So we're looking for some words. Anything, mini. Mine would be great. Anything? Alright, 20 ball. Come on. I think that's it, guys. Nope. Jinxed it back in. Come on, any words, anything? Smack. That's it. Nope. Jinxed it back in again. Well, I've seen the major. That means nothing. That'd be awesome. 6 grand on 10 bucks. Like that's happening. Alright. Probably another 100 bucks. Nice, another 150 bucks just like that. Alright guys, I was at 15, lowered the bet to 5 bucks, we got in. Bunch of min balls, 10 for denom. If I get some words it'd be great, but I don't think I'm gonna get them betting so little. I'm only betting $5 on a high denom. Take anything. Whack. Any words in there? Words? Anything else? Is that it? Last spin, Johnson. Negative. I think I'm gonna randomly guess 75. I don't know. Please subscribe. That's $5 bet, 150 now. I got the 4 trigger curse. We'll see. Balls? Nope. Balls? Nope. Balls? Alright, we got in. see if I can get like the major, because minors and minis are 50 and 10. Anything. Alright, $25 ball. $5 ball. I saw the $250 ball in there. Oh, there we go. $100 ball. Maybe I'll get back to even on this. I got 300 in. Anything? No. I'll see. Number 91, yeah, I'm gonna get back there. Almost, yeah. I had like $5. Oh, now I'm down.